सबसे पहले तो आज के शो के बारे में कुछ बताइए।
This show actually is a very interesting show because ये I think मैं 30 साल पहले शुरू किया मेरा काम of my dance and the journey has always been that मैं jazz किया, contemporary किया, hip hop किया, but this is my own style. So it's called the Shamak style, which is contemporary and very unique, अलग style है. So this is the first time I'm doing a show like that, and I think it's Indian and Western movement, and it's how do I say? It's something that I don't think people have seen before, and the success of the shows has been so good. So I'm very happy that the audience loved it. So for me, that's important.
ओके शामा, किसी के साथ में आज के अगर शो की अगर बात करिए तो और क्या क्या अलग होने वाला है आज?
आज अलग है कि oh my god, I think there's some new songs, there's some new elements, and the simpleness of the show is that there's no sets, there's nothing. It's a plain, simple show and only dance. No gymnastics, no flips, no splits, no tumbling, no somersaulting, no flying in the air. Just pure dance. I think that is what people want to see now. The pure dance, not just gymnastics.
ओके, इसी के साथ में अगर आपकी अगर बात करिए तो किस तरीके से देखते हैं आप शुरू से लेके अब तक की जर्नी को?
I think it was a very difficult journey, and I can speak English, no?
Yeah.
It was a very difficult journey, and you know that dance was not accepted in India. Boys who dance are considered to be effeminate and girly type or pansy or gay. Women who came to my classes were meant to be bad girls. But that was 30 years ago. Today it's changed. People love it. They think it's good. People know how therapeutic it is, how scientific it is, how healing it is, confidence building. Kids come at a young age. That time there was no children in class. It was only adults who would come. Now children come, everyone comes. So it's the motto of Have Feet Will Dance, which means now if you really want to come and just dance and learn, you come and dance. But Dil To Pagle ke baad, I think the main thing was that people suddenly realized that dancing was not vulgar, dancing was not a bad thing, dancing is not cheap. So I think the most important thing that we want to say is that I've given, or we have given, respectability to dance, which is very important for me. And that's why today the choreography also is very new, very hatke, very alag, not Bollywood, not Hollywood. It's my own version of, और ये नाम है सेलकुद, उसका मतलब है unusual. And it's a very interesting theme if you see it, very interesting songs. There's some Hindi songs and English songs, but it's a very lovely mix of work.
ओके, इसी के साथ में अगर बात करिए कुछ जिस तरीके से आपने बताया कि बहुत लंबी जर्नी थी, इस जर्नी के बीच में कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें जो आपने सीखी हो जो डांसर्स तक पहुंचनी चाहिए?
I think the most important is that, बहुत नाटक होता है लोग का मन में कि मैं डांसर बनूंगा, ये स्टार बनूंगा, पर उनका प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि they want to become stars, they don't want to work on the work, they don't want to work on the craft, they don't want to work on their dancing or their singing or their acting, they just want to go do a course and become actors or singers or dancers. ऐसा नहीं होता है. Dancing takes years of hard work, and today कोई भी आता है YouTube पे जाता है and they become dancers,
Yeah.
but in 5 days they become successful and they go down also. Advice to a proper professional person who wants to be a dancer, they have to work very hard and they have to train. Training is too important. Discipline बहुत important है. Hard work, nothing happens without hard work. And if you want to break into to become a dancer fast, you'll go up and come down also fast. You go steadily up slowly, then you can stay there. I stayed for 30 years till today, working, trying to become better, improving my craft, becoming more of a perfectionist. Not just sitting back and say, अभी मैं हो गया,
Yeah.
अभी choreographer बन गया, I'm cool. No, ऐसा नहीं होता. It doesn't work like that at all.
ओके, इसी के साथ में अगर बॉलीवुड की अगर बात करिए तो आपके हिसाब से बेस्ट बॉलीवुड डांसर कौन है? स्टार की अगर बात करिए
Helen G.
इन मेल्स?
Helen G. Males, I like Shami Kapoor. I like Ritik, Shahid, and in the ladies I like Madhuri a lot. So
लास्टली क्या कहना चाहेंगे आपके फैंस से?
that I'm so grateful because of my fans, 30 years they've been with me. They still come for my shows. They still, my shows are house full. people are so still faithful because I think I've had a journey with them for 30 years. So I think it's lovely that they still are with me, and I'm very grateful to them. And one thing I want to say is that if you have patience and faith now in God, anything can happen. It's the most powerful thing. So have faith and patience.
Thank you, sir.
Happy? Sorry.
जी Well, this show is a show I've seen before, and I'm so excited to watch it again. The Selkut show is spectacular, and Shamak has done such an incredible job. It truly is one of the most spectacular dance shows I've seen in the country, and I can't wait to watch it again. Shamak always surprises you as an audience. He's just so incredible in the way that he choreographs dance. We've all grown up on his, on his dance himself. He's such a wonderful artist, and we've all grown up on his, choreography. He revolutionized Western dancing in India. So really looking forward to it. हम एक्चुअली एक प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे हैं which is going to go on to Netflix directly. It's called Ye Ballet, and Shamak has actually choreographed a lot of numbers in that. So I'm really looking forward to that next. आप फिल्म देख लेना, but all kinds of dance. So there's ballet in it, of course, but there's contemporary, there's jazz, there's hip hop, there's a lot of dance forms in the film. Thank you.
इधर के
इलेक्शन के लिए वोटिंग करना जब भी लाइव करते हैं हम लोग के सामने राइट में वेट वेट यहाँ पे राइट में सामने
ओके पहले यहाँ पे बाइट कर लेते हेलो
हाय
सो ध्वनि जी यू नो हम आपके बहुत सारे गाने देखते हैं हर किसी की जुबान पर होते हैं लेकिन डांस का कितना शौक रखती है ध्वनि जी
मैं एक्चुअली शामक सर की स्टूडेंट थी 10 साल शामक डावा में थी मैं और एक बार स्पेशल बैच के लिए भी ऑडिशन किया था 3rd स्टैंडर्ड में थी बट पास नहीं हुई बहुत डिसहार्टन फील हुआ बट देन यू नो दैट जर्नी रियली हेल्प्स यू लर्निंग अंडर हिज इंस्टीट्यूशन रियली हेल्प्स यू एंड आई एम सो ग्लैड टू बी हियर टुडे
तो ऐसे हम डांस के ऊपर ऐसे कोई आपका सिंगल देखेंगे क्योंकि आने वाले दिनों में
मैं सब में डांस करती हूँ थोड़ा थोड़ा
और ऐसे लाइक शामक दावर के स्टाइल में जिस तरह से उनका स्टाइल होता है इस तरह
अभी आई थिंक नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आप शायद देख सकते हैं बट आप उनको बोलो ना मेरे साथ कोलैबोरेट करें तो आप आपको देखने को मिलेगा Tonight, I think this is my first Selkoot and I'm really excited. People have told me a lot about it and I really can't wait to see Shamak's magic on stage with his instructors and his dancers. Yeah. I think art is always spiritually connected. Even music, for that matter, is spiritually connected. And while we perform on it, it has to be spiritually connected. Yeah, I mean, we do everything to praise that one energy. And I think it's worked tremendously well for Shamak and his spiritual association. And I'm really glad to be here, in fact, to witness that.
what kind of music also you listen to?
I listen to all kinds of music. There's no barring to the amount and the genres of music that I listen to. So yeah, I mean, I listen to everything and I watch everything because you have to be updated with everything. There's nothing that I don't like. Everything has something different to offer, is what I think.